So next up, guys, got a nice tractor here. It's a Case IH MXM155 front wheel assist, guys, with a cab. It does have some weights up front. It's got good rubber. The cab does have heat and air. Probably need to recharge the air, but it does blow strong. And they said they just put a new compressor on that air conditioner as well last spring. Kind of zoom in here on the rear of the tractor, guys. It's got 3-point hitch. Drawbar there's in real good shape. 540 PTO. It also has a small 1000 that you can put in as well. 2 auxiliary hydraulic hookups there. It's got a good seat, guys. Power shift transmission. Starts up, runs nice and strong. Got it right around 7,500 hours. So I'm here with Glenn. I'll have him go ahead. He'll give you a nice demo. Fires up right away there, guys. Coming in from a local consignor. Does a good job keeping his stuff in working order, running good. Kind of shifted a little bit there for you. Goes forward, reverse. Maybe a little bend in the stair, guys. There's a little crack in one of the windows on the cab. Love a picture of that. But I'm telling you what, if you're wanting a really nice 4-wheel drive tractor, it's got good rubber, strong motor, nice cab. It's coming from a good home, I think. One here that you got to look in pretty hard at. It's got the weights. A little kind of winder by there for you, but just a really nice looking tractor, nice running. So there's a demo, guys, on the Case IH MXM155 front wheel assist cab tractor, guys. Nice unit there. Brakes lock up good. She just runs really nice. Power shift transmission. Nice strong motor. So there's the demo, guys, on the Case IH MXM155 front wheel assist tractor with the cab. Power shift training. Real good unit. Good luck, guys. Auction time. Old 20 auction.